What the fuck? Okay, I think they're flying. The fucking, like, some of the hittables are flying.
That's a car alarm!
Oh my god! They're back! They're back! They're back! They're back! They're back!
Holy fuck! I just got jump scared.
Seems like my theory was true.
Oh my god, I almost had... I think I just had a heart attack. Whew. Man. Scared the fuck out of me.
Oh damn. Don't you leave me now.
You guys are gonna wanna... I mean, the safe room's gonna be on your left side, so... Just so you know that.
Fuck.
Reloading.
Oh, Lord, watch out. That thing can't... You know what? These don't even look like they're coming that fast now, but the one that hit...
I fucking slammed dunk.
Yeah, you get fucking hit by those.
Got absolutely squashed by that fucking thing.
Fucking actual squash moment.
Got turned into an example.
Fucking tank was out to get me, bro. It's funny because like he has so much.
He's even admitted I have an ungodly amount of money. Wait,
That's
Imagine
good.
that.
Did that kill me or that was just, I don't even know what the
No,
fuck
it
that
killed
was.
you. It killed you.
I knew it. I fucking knew it. I was gonna say it was either gonna free me and make me fall through the fucking thing, or was it kill me?
well, it
Of
wouldn't
course
have
I had to
mattered.
defib.
It wouldn't have mattered because I wouldn't have been have time to save you.
I know.
Oh shit.
What the fuck? I'm getting water. I'll be right back.
Something like that.
Yes, fine. You're self-touching.
Huh?
Well, I am German.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, bruh. Probably hide and
Bill's an
seek.
idiot.
Oh my god.
They're playing hide and
This is
seek.
awesome.
Hide and
This
What?
is.
Are
I'm
you
stuck.
not supposed to go here?
I'm literally stuck.
I'm reloading.
easiest hide and seek exploit if this was realism.
What the
I'm-
fuck is this map?
I'm literally stuck, guys. I need help.
Glory, Bill, I got you.
Just crown me real quick. Oh, okay. I was gonna say you can just. Yeah, there we go.
There you go.
Holy aim.
Hold on.
Holy fuck, you had flying.
Bro just Viltrumited me.
That was, you went so fucking far. Holy shit.
Yeah, that was,
Where the
that
fuck
was a
do you
lot.
go?
You've been all the way out there.
I mean, as in, where the fuck you go on this map?
What? Alright, bro. Wait till you... No! What? What? What happened? What happened?
Repopulating the earth.
I'm gonna demonstrate what the fuck exactly just happened. Because why is that fucking there to begin with? No, no. Look, you want to know exactly what happened?
Yeah, I guess I do.
Because why? Look, this is all I did. I didn't hell. You can do it yourself. I didn't press anything.
I see that.
Like, Are you fucking serious? It's a random temp barrier. No, I can move here. I don't fucking get it.
Oh my god, bro. What the f-
Watch where you're shooting.
If you don't...
Huh.
Axe here.
Really?
Are
Are you serious? No. Like, what the fuck?
I was like,
Boy, the
yeah, this
atmosphere!
isn't a trap.
What the fuck ever, bro?
Well,
I could use some help over
You seem to be in a bit of a predicament. You're fucking
Oh,
luck,
man.
dude. You're luck.
you're luck, bro. You look before you leave, dude.
What the fuck
Bro,
is
just
what trap
jump
is there?
down.
It's a fucking what trap is there, Strange? What the fuck is the trap?
Bro, just jumped down a fucking pit. Like, oh yeah, this one. This one costs
Yeah, but there's fucking maps that do
Arm.
that, and there's a fucking invisible ladder you climb up on. What the fuck you think was...
I guess, bro.
It could have made it more
Oh,
fucking clear. Put on that one guy got chased by a Smiley.
Hey, look out!
Oh, that looks like death. You wanna go down
you
there,
wanna
Lord?
jump down there too, Lord?
Fuck you.
I didn't say anything.
How do you even get
The
in?
most dangerous game of chicken you ever played.
Here, I don't want to do this. I don't want to, man.
Just get in, get in.
Oh, fucking A. Damn. I didn't...
That boy's got a body count.
Oh my god.
Boy's like, I'm not going down there.
Oh my god. Oh man.
He's crushing me. He's crushing
Oh, wait a minute. Train?
No. Bad
A
boy. Don't do
train.
that. Oh my god, it's coming. I hear it.
No.
Which way is it going?
Oh my god, it's coming this way. It's...
It's coming. And it comes. He's gone. He's just gone.
Oh my god, Wildcat's gone too. No, Lord, got hit by the train again.
Oh, there's another train.
Oh.
No! Oh, thank you, dude. Oh my god, you guys and your fucking train shenanigans. You gotta stop.
Oh wait, we
A
can definitely
mounted
jump over
gun!
that.
What mounted gun?
What do you do?
me. Get you back up.
Fell down a hole and went down?
No, wait, Strange, I can launch you up onto one of those hills.
That acid lady.
Yeah, go ahead.
We just broke the fucking game immediately. What the fuck happened? Wait, hold on. Let me get a weapon. Hold on.
Nope. Broken.
It's just we just broke it by killing ourselves.
Fix.
Let's go again.
What? What? Where am I? Where am I? What? What? What is happening? My camera's stuck to a common? I was following a common around. What is happening?
What the fuck is going on? Shit better be gas. What?
Better have some big titties.
I'm loading. So like, what the fuck? What? Why?
What?
How did I die? Really? Are we serious? Safe room.
What is down here?
Where the fuck are you guys? You're over there. Shit. What the fuck? Why?
Classic.
Oh my fuck. Whatever, bro. Fucking no clip in the backgrounds, I fucking guess. Like, okay.
The door just opens, by the way.
I'm so
Look,
fucking
the bar
dead,
doesn't come
bro.
off.
I'm so fucking
Why is it
dead.
always fucking me?
The bar doesn't come off.
Oh my god, bro.
Oh.
Fucking maps are out to get me, bro. I'm telling you. I'm not hearing anything. A fucking pistol. There's nothing here.
Oh my god. Whew.
Bullshit.
Yo, the comments are spawning.
Coach, look out! Tank! Tank!
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Wow. All right. All right.
Oh,
Mr. Beast. All right. You got it, bro. You got it. You fucking got it, bro. That is the
Holy.
most demise spawn I've ever seen. All right.
Holy
Oh, fucking
fuck. It wiped us all out. Wow. So much. You just left the game.
No, I fucking.
Oh my god.
Hold on. Let me come back.
Wow.